More than 1,000 people statewide hospitalized with the flu last week, and 8 of them died in the Cleveland area alone. Christian Hauser, however, shows how the Miami Valley is doing better.
The number of reported flu cases and ER visits because of the virus continues to drop in the Miami Valley. But health officials I just spoke with say we're not out of the woods yet when it comes to this year's flu season. Dr. Kendra Engle works in the ER at Kettering Medical Center.
I think that maybe this year has been a little more brisk with the flu than last year, and we have seen more people getting sick who got the flu shot.
But she says the number of people walking into the ER with the flu is dropping. Part of it could be the cold weather keeping people in and the snow days many schools have used in the area.
People shouldn't have jumped to any conclusions from that. We're in the very early part of the flu season.
Flu season runs through March, and usually we see peaks and valleys when it comes to the number of cases.
Sometimes we'll see it earlier than others because we do tend to be a little bit of a larger area, and we'll start to see the spike early, and then we kind of go through it a little earlier.
Statewide, the number of ER visits is up 36%, but here in the Valley, we're at just a third of the number of cases we had 3 weeks ago.
Hopefully, we may have been through the worst, but we won't know that until we look back on the flu season. You really can't project what it's going to be like in the upcoming weeks.
So remember, use common sense. Stay home if you're sick. Wash your hands often and try to stay away from anyone else who is sick. Health officials say if you haven't yet gotten a flu shot, you should still get one because there are still several weeks left in this year's flu season. Reporting in Kettering, Christian Hauser, ABC 22 News.
But when should you go to the hospital if you have the flu? Well, doctors say if you have a fever higher than 103 degrees or one that won't go away after a couple of days. Also, if you have asthma or some other serious health condition. We've got what you need to know on our website, abc22now.com.